Hey friends, if you're unable to terminate process and you get the access is denied message on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now, before anything else, I can just point out the two main reasons. One is that you do not have administrator access to do that, and the second thing is that it may be prevented by a group policy, and the third one is the interference of third-party software products. So here's what you can do in this case. Search for Task Manager and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. It may prompt for access and just click on yes in that case. But other than this, you can also search for UAC and go to User Account Control and then pull this bar at whatever stage it is. Pull it to the absolute bottom and then click on OK. I always keep it at the bottom. Another case is that if it is an organization managed system, then you cannot do anything specific about it. In that case, you will have to talk to the IT administrator. And the last solution is obviously a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and go to system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services, select disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.